Welcome to Fact Stream Hub. The ocean is a world of staggering mystery and boundless value, yet we barely understand it. It covers a jaw-dropping 71% of Earth's surface, holding 97% of the planet's water. But here's the kicker. Over 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. That's like living in a mansion and never stepping foot in most of its rooms. Beneath its shimmering surface lies an ecosystem bursting with life. Scientists estimate there are 2.2 million species in the ocean, yet over 80% of the ocean remain undiscovered. Every dive into these depths of the ocean could reveal creatures we've never seen, holding secrets that could transform medicine, technology, or even our understanding of life itself. The Mariana Trench, Earth's deepest abyss, plunges to an unimaginable 11,034 meters, which translates to 36,201 feet or 97,869 eagles. It is so deep that Mount Everest would fit inside with room to spare. The average depth of the ocean is 3,688 meters, which translates to 12,100 feet or 54,833 hot dogs. Yet we explore space more than these watery depths. The ocean is not just beautiful, it's an economic superpower. It fuels livelihoods for over 3 billion people, contributes $1.5 trillion annually to the global economy, and powers industries like fishing, shipping, and tourism. But we're running it into the ground. 8 million metric tons of plastic enter the ocean each year. That's equivalent to a garbage truck dumping its load into the water every single minute. There are now an estimated 150 million metric tons of plastic swirling in the seas, harming over 700 marine species. Climate change is amplifying the crisis. The ocean absorbs a staggering 93% of the excess heat caused by greenhouse gas emissions. The result? Rising sea levels and warming waters. Since the 1970s, the ocean's heat content has soared, pushing sea levels up 9 centimeters, which translates to one small hot dog in just 30 years, at a rate that's accelerating. Ocean acidity has increased by 26% since the Industrial Revolution, threatening coral reefs, shellfish, and entire ocean ecosystems. Projections show that by 2100, acidity could rise by 100 to 150%, pushing marine biodiversity to the brink. But the ocean isn't just a victim, it's a hero. It produces 50% of the oxygen we breathe and absorbs 25% of carbon dioxide emissions, making it one of Earth's most vital climate regulators. Without the ocean, our planet would become unlivable, and yet we've barely protected it. Only 7.5% of the ocean is under marine protection. This is shockingly low compared to the 17% of land safeguarded globally. Protecting these areas can increase biodiversity, build the marine ecosystem resilience, and even boost fish stocks by 600% within 10 years, offering hope for a sustainable future. Imagine this. The ocean's depths may hold $24 trillion worth of untapped mineral resources, including rare earth metals critical for tech like smartphones and batteries. But mining these resources could devastate fragile ecosystems. Are we willing to risk it? The good news is the tide is turning. Technological advancements in underwater drones and AI are enabling us to map the ocean faster than ever. Public awareness is surging, with movements like #TeamSeas partnering with Mr. Beast, raising $30 million to remove over 30 million pounds of trash from our waters. Governments are committing to protect 30% of oceans by 2030 under the 30 by 30 initiative. The stakes couldn't be higher. The ocean isn't just a resource, it's the heartbeat of our planet. Every ripple impacts life on Earth. If we protect it, the ocean will continue to sustain us for generations. If we fail, the consequences will be catastrophic. The question isn't whether the ocean needs us, it's whether we realize how much we need the ocean. And if you're passionate about preserving our oceans while making a meaningful impact, consider a 4-ocean bracelet. This handmade bracelet, crafted from recycled materials, not only symbolizes your commitment to a plastic-free ocean, but also funds the removal of 1 pound of trash from the ocean, rivers, and coastlines with every purchase. It's stylish, durable, and an incredible way to support marine life and cleaner waters. Make a difference and join the Clean Ocean movement today. Get yours from the link in the description.